Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the #1 rideshare YouTube channel in the world for Uber and Lyft drivers. It's a fact. We have not the most subscribers, not the most views, so I guess that means we're not #1, so yikes. Anyways, welcome back to the channel, the Rideshare Hub. We tend to focus on money on this channel. That's like our big differentiator. So a lot of the other channels that might be related to news, or like, you know, Dustin's driving has like all the crazy rides, all the you know, he posts videos of crazy rides on his channel, gives commentary on that, does some news too. You have the Rideshare Guy. He talks, I guess, about like the business of rideshare, talks a lot about like taxes, talks a lot about I don't know, business stuff, I guess. Who else? Entrepreneur talks about news, mostly news now. Rideshare Revolution talks a lot about, you know, the trials and tribulations of being a driver, being an Uber and a Lyft driver. Oh, I think I know these people. Oh no, I don't. Never mind. And then you have me. I talk about mostly about money. Like every single title that we have, every single video is usually has to do with money. How do you make money as a gig worker? How do you make money as an Uber driver? How do you make money as a Lyft driver? Etc., etc., etc. Well, this is a huge deal for us at the Rideshare Hub because there is, well, I'll talk about, real rideshare stories too. He's a really, really good source for any, like, I don't know, he knows a lot about politics and stuff, and like laws, and I don't know, he's not like a lawyer or anything, but he does talk about a lot of stuff going on, and he's a really good source for somebody. Like, I would trust him to talk about, I don't know, a new rideshare, like, I don't know, he's good in his own way. But I think for me, I don't know what it is, but I love money. I love talking about money. I even carry cash on me all the time. Look at this. I don't know why, but I just love physically holding money. This is I think it's like 900 bucks. I don't know what it is, but I keep money on me just in case. I know I should be putting this in my savings account, getting investments, but I actually do use this for TikTok clickbait. So if you guys don't want to follow me on TikTok, you can do that. I have about 130,000 followers on there too. Sorry, but no, I just want to say, like, that just shows I really like talking about money. I'm really fascinated by it. I think it's crazy how we live this world, and all of a sudden this huge new, you know, we're all being affected by what's going on right now. I can't say that word because I don't want to get demonetized, which again, that's money right there. And now all of a sudden 70% of people who live paycheck to paycheck are like, oh my gosh, what do we do? That just means that, like, I don't know, I'm just fascinated by money. So what are we talking about today? We're talking about this huge new bill that got passed called the US stimulus bill. And it's for $2.2 trillion, guys. They just basically, the federal government just packaged so much money, and the government is just throwing this at us. Throwing this at both businesses and people. So, you know, I'm not gonna talk about the businesses that they're doing, like, who cares, right? Unless you're a business owner, that's not me. I'm like the consumer. I'm talking about gig workers. Like, if you're an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, you're self-employed, if you wanna go out and make money, if you're just a normal person working your normal job, that's me. I have a normal job, and then I also do Uber and Lyft on the side. But I'm not doing it right now. So basically, I'm gonna talk about that portion of the US stimulus bill, and then I'm also gonna talk about the portion of it that includes unemployment benefits specifically for gig workers. In the past, and while this bill was being written, it would, you know, pretty much be known that anybody who gets laid off from their job or can't work a normal job, like an employee, would get benefits. But what about like independent contractors or people who are self-employed? That's a whole different story. And so for the first time, gig workers are actually included and can get unemployment benefits. So if you're an Uber driver and you're thinking, well, I don't want to go out and work because I don't want to get sick, or even, oh, you know, there's not that many riders, so I can't make as much money as I would normally. This is your shot to get money, and it's like a lot of money. It's like 600 bucks per week plus whatever you would normally get on unemployment. So it's like a lot of money. It's $2.2 trillion that they're throwing out to everyone, guys. Like, can you imagine $2.2 trillion? I can't even imagine how much money that is. Like, it would take up my entire street if you put it all on $100 bills. You could fill up my entire block with $100 bills. It's a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna talk about how to get your unemployment benefits. So I'm gonna tell you how much you can make and then how to get it. Because in the past, I did make a video about this a couple days ago, but a lot of people were confused. So I'm gonna walk you through step by step how to do it. So just so you guys have it all under control. So here I'm going to sync up my phone here, and I'm gonna click on this here. I'm gonna click on this link, and I'm gonna put the link down below too, guys. If I can freaking find the link, bro. Okay, you gotta go to one of my videos. I'll put it in the comments. It'll be the pinned comment. Rideshare Hub. Here we go, guys. Been posting a lot of videos lately, so here, this is the one I put it up. But yeah, again, people were just getting a little confused, and I put the link, and I thought it was pretty self-explanatory. But I'm going, I just want to help you guys out because obviously you guys can see the thumbs downs. And everything. I always leave my own videos a thumbs up, but so I guess people were just a little misunderstood. People were saying, how are you gonna say how to apply and not show how to apply? Thanks for wasting our time. A lot of people were saying that it worked for them. I don't know, but here I say, you know what, I'm not gonna get mad or anything. I'm just gonna make a new video and show you guys how to do it. So you click this link. Again, I'm going to put it on here. Unemployment Benefits Finder. This is a career one-stop. So basically it has everything that you need to do it, and they even have a chat box here. So, and they have specific times. So you can chat with them if you want to get help if you can't figure it out. But you go down here and you click select your state. I'm gonna do California. Why? Because California is a big state and I also live in California. So here we go. To file, then you have these options here. It goes to file a UI claim online. Or do you wanna do it by telephone number? What do you guys wanna do? I don't feel like talk. Well, if you honestly call somebody and talk, it's probably gonna get done quicker, right? I mean, whatever. You guys know how online goes. You file it, you never hear anything back. But if you talk to somebody in person, you could get it. I prefer doing it online just because, I'm usually laying in bed and I'm gonna probably do this from my bed. I'm not gonna file unemployment because I still have the YouTube channel, and that there is income from the ads on this video. So anyways, here we go. To file a UI claim online, you click this link, guys. You guys gotta poke around and do some research. Like, there's stuff to be done. So it goes when to file a claim. File your UI claim in the first week that you lose your job or have your hours reduced. You gotta do it within the first week, guys. Your claim begins on the Sunday of the week you submitted your application. Does that make sense? If you previously filed a UI claim within the past 52 weeks, you must reopen your claim to resume benefits. So if you already did a claim and you have not exhausted your benefits, information you need to file a claim, you guys gotta have all this information: last employer information, including company name, supervisor's name, address, and phone number, last date you worked, gross earnings, guys. A lot of people were saying, oh, I'm an Uber driver, should I put my gross earnings or my after expenses? Right here, it says gross earnings. In the last week you worked, information. So here we go. How to file a claim. Do you want to do it online, by phone, or by fax or mail? Honestly, probably online. So you guys got to do it during these times of the week. And then you go through UI online SM, click that. And then, yeah, you click on here, benefits program online, guys. Log in or register. And you just got to fill out the forms, guys. I know it's not super easy. It's not like signing up for a Gmail or a Facebook page or Facebook group. Like, you gotta put in your work. They're gonna ask you a series of questions, and yeah, and then yeah, I mean, that's okay. And then I'll just show you how much, and now I'm gonna show you through some testimonies of people who already did it and how much they're getting, just so you guys know this is all real and everything. Oh wait, let me go to my Facebook group. So I'm in a Facebook group, and there's a lot of drivers, Uber and Lyft drivers and other gig workers, because now we got a lot of people in here who have already signed up for the unemployment, and they're already making money. So here we go. This is what he said. He has, just FYI, Uber Lyft drivers can get unemployment per the past bill, which means you can get the additional $600 per week. Guys, this is like mind-blowing. The first time ever. Like, Jorge, if you're watching this, dude, like Jorge is one of my subscribers. I also gave him a car. He was a Lyft driver. Wow, fun times. That was really awesome. He's a really good guy, but he was telling me, like, you know, he was still out driving, and let's see here. How can I go? Oh yeah, no, I was gonna show you guys. Like, I was just telling him, like, and everybody else, like, yes, go get the money, man. Like, it's out there. I'm fortunate enough to have the YouTube channel and everything. But yeah, guys, this is Stephanie Maxwell. She's getting $20 per week. So if you guys don't know why, it's like the $2.2 trillion, guys. It allows people to get $600 per week from the federal government, plus, this is in my understanding, plus your unemployment from your state. So like, your state is gonna give you whatever it might be. It might be a couple $100 a week. I think it's a portion of whatever you usually make per week. So say you're an Uber driver and you go out and make $1,000 per week, and now you're making $0. I think the state will, again, I don't know, but like, I'm guessing it's maybe 50%. So maybe you would make $500 a week from unemployment. But with the stimulus bill, the federal government, it might be less, guys. I don't know. I'm not an expert. Like, you can't quote me on this. I'm just guesstimating. Maybe it's 10%, maybe it's 20%. Maybe he's gonna get $200. But the US stimulus bill says that the federal government's gonna give that person an additional $600. So he's gonna get $600 plus whatever that amount is. And I don't know how it works, guys. Obviously I don't work for the IRS or the state, federal, I don't know. So but yeah. So yeah, guys, that's it. That's how to do it. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Feel free to answer them, or refer you to, you know, somebody who can help you, or refer you to the correct site. If you guys have any problems, let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye.